Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving on Constant Spring Road, and we are at the intersection of Constant Spring Road and West Avenue. As you can see, Constant Spring Road was recently renovated under the major infrastructure development program. It was one of the main roads that were rehabilitated or renovated through the program. It's now a dual carriageway, 4 lanes. It has a concrete barricade. Very nice road. Now, Constant Spring Road, you might ask, how do they pick the roads to be fixed? Why is Constant Spring Road so important? Well, one of the reasons is Constant Spring Road has more plazas on it, shopping plazas or malls, than any other road in Jamaica. Constant Spring Road runs from Manor Park to Halfway Tree. In Halfway Tree, it intersects with Hagley Park Road, Halfway Tree Road, and Hope Road. So Constant Spring Road, that's the road we're on now, has more shopping malls or plazas on it than any other road in Jamaica. And some of those plazas are the most popular plazas in Jamaica. You have the Village, you have Mall Plaza, Tropical Plaza, this plaza on the right, Super Valley Town Center, you have Manor Park Plaza, both Upper and Lower Plaza. You have Manor Center, you have the Springs. It's almost all the plazas are very popular. Now, Constant Spring Road also has some very popular or prominent high schools on it. So this is one of the busiest roads in Jamaica. Now, the busiest place in Jamaica is Halfway Tree. 250,000 people a day pass through Halfway Tree. So any road that leads to Halfway Tree or from Halfway Tree is going to be a very busy road. And of all the roads that lead to Halfway Tree, only Hagley Park Road is busier than Constant Spring Road. And the busiest intersection in Jamaica is the intersection of Hagley Park Road and Spanish Town Road. So that's why Hagley Park Road has more traffic. But outside of Hagley Park Road, this is the busiest road that you will take to get to Halfway Tree. So that's why that's one of the reasons why this road was renovated through that project, the MIDP. And it cost about 16 million US to renovate this road. Now we are going up into the Manor Park area, so we'll go to where the road, this is the Manor Park area. So the road runs from here all the way back to Halfway Tree. And on the right is the Manor Park Plaza. It's actually two plazas. The gas station separates the two. So on the right is Lower Manor Park, the Lower Manor Park Plaza, and on the other side of the gas station is Upper Manor Park Plaza. But persons just refer to everything as Manor Park Plaza. Now on the left, that pinkish looking building, that's the Powell building, and it's named after the former Secretary of State of the United States of America, Colin Powell. Both his parents were Jamaican, and he always thought, both his parents were Jamaican, so he had strong ties to the country. So that building actually belongs to the US government, and it's named after Colin Powell. That building was actually built as a hotel. It was built as Crown Plaza Hotel, and it was built by a bank. I think it was Eagle Bank. Eagle was a group. You had a merchant bank, an insurance company, and a commercial bank. But the Eagle Group built it. And the project, it was so expensive that they said even if the hotel operated at maximum capacity, if it was fully booked for X amount of years, it still wouldn't pay back for itself. So the hotel was sold and the US government bought it. And then right after the US government bought it, there was the 9/11 attack in the United States. And it was said that it would be too dangerous for them to operate that hotel for the US Embassy persons. So the project was put on hold. It was just sitting down there, and recently, a couple of years ago now, the US government started to use it, and it belongs to the US government, and it's named the Powell Building. Alright, we're now driving through the Norbrook area. This is a residential neighborhood, so enjoy the tour, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.